Good evening. Rahul Gandhiji, fellow Indians. Many ask me why I am here. I'm here as an Indian. My father was a congressman. I had various ideologies. I went around and I started my own political party. But when it comes to the country, all political party lines will have to blur. I blurred that line. I come here as Kamal Haasan, son of India. That's my address. I'm here. தமிழில் பேச வேண்டும் என்று இங்கே சொல்லியிருக்கிறார். A lot of Tamils are here. You translate. தமிழில் பேச வேண்டும் என்று திரு ராகுல் காந்தி அவர்கள் என்னை கேட்டுக் கொண்டிருக்கிறார்.
Rahul Gandhi ji asked me to speak in Tamil.
I absolutely concede because he himself identified himself as a Tamil.
I'm absolutely happy to do that because as Rahul Gandhi ji himself identified himself as Tamil.
Okay, now I slipped into English, sorry. அதனால் அவரை என் சகோதரராக ஏற்றுக்கொண்டேன் என்று இல்லை. இது இரண்டு கொள்ளுப்பேரன்மார்கள் கலந்து நடக்கும் யாத்திரை.
Just because he identified himself as Tamil, I accept him as my brother, but we are the grandson of Tamils.
Grandsons of India, great grandsons of India. He comes in Nehruji's line. I come like everybody else here from Gandhiji's line. So, இவர் நேருவின் கொள்ளுப்பேரன், நான் காந்தியின் கொள்ளுப்பேரன்.
He is Nehru's great grandson, I am Gandhi's great grandson.
That relationship enough. There are many great grandsons in India and party alliances don't matter. Anytime there is a slight jam in our constitutional rights, we'll be there out in the streets. எந்த ஒரு நெருக்கடி நம் கான்ஸ்டிடியூஷனுக்கு வந்தாலும் நான் தெருவில் வந்து நிற்பேன். எந்த கட்சி ஆள்கிறது என்பதை பற்றி எனக்கு கவலை இல்லை.
Whenever the constitution is under attack, I will come in the street. I don't mind which party is ruling this country.
நான் அதற்காகவே இங்கு வந்திருக்கிறேன்.
Because of that I have come here.
நான் முதலில் ஆங்கிலத்தில் தான் பேசுவதாக இருந்தேன். ஆனால் சகோதரர் பணித்தலால் தமிழில் பேசுகிறேன்.
I first intend to speak in English. Just because of my brother asked me to speak in Tamil, I am speaking.
Now I'll slip into English. Thank you.
Thank you.
Before coming here, many people advised me because I am a political party leader and they said, don't go to Delhi, it'll affect your political career. My political career started because of the country, not because of myself. And now I'm here. I stood before the mirror and looked at myself and asked myself a question. This is a time when the country needs you. So I heard a voice from within. Kamal, Bharat तोड़ने की मदद मत करो, जोड़ने की मदद करो. Kamal is my name. I mean no innuendos here. So I've come here in a time when the country needs me. I am a Jawan, civil Jawan, living inside India and in one corner where he started this Yatra from Tamil Nadu. this Yatra, according to me, has just begun. There's much more distance to go. I'm not talking about the road walk. I'm trying to, what I'm trying to Jodo is not just states. I'm trying to connect the glorious legacy of our past with a bright future that we deserve. That's why I'm here. Many people ask me about political alliances. That's another matter. I'm here, I reiterate, as an Indian. This is not a 5-year plan. This is a plan for eons, for generations to come. And that's how this country should be. And I want to set an example for my people, my party, my state, that when it comes to the country, forget about the color of the flag. There is only 3 colors, that's the national flag. And that's why I'm here. I respect Rahulji for taking up this brave move. It's been done before, and now it's happening again. I congratulate him. I ask him, I'll cheer him like you are through the Yatra, and we will meet and talk again. Thank you. Jai Hind.